Hello students, I am taking up The Enemy from Vistas, written by Pulse S. Buck. So in continuation that when Dr. Sadao and Hannah, when they saw that one of the like they were in doubt the fishermen must have been wounded and lying on the seashore, they went there near, and when they came towards him, they saw that he was wounded. He lay motionless, with no activity, no motion was visible. They saw his face. Hannah whispered that he was a white man. Sadao began to search for the wound through his expert finger. Blood flowed freshly at his touch. In order to stanch, that is, he tried to stop the flow of blood. वो ब्लड को जो बहता हुआ ब्लड है उसका वाइट मैन का, उसको रोकने की कोशिश की. द fearful blood, that bleeding was going on. He packed the wound with the sea moss. So the man was unconscious found, and he groaned. Karaha cried with pain, that in his stupor means unconsciousness, अपनी बेहोशी की अवस्था में वो क्राई किया, चिल्लाया, और कराहा यानी कि बट ही डिड नॉट अवेकन, किंतु वो जागा नहीं था बिकॉज ऑफ अनकॉन्शियसनेस. व्हेन दे केम टुवर्ड्स हिम, तो सदाओ मटर्ड दैट व्हाट शैल वी डू विद दैट, विद, उन्होंने कहा कि उसके साथ, व्यक्ति के साथ क्या किया जाए. दैट व्हाट शैल वी डू, ही सेड दैट द बेस्ट थिंग दैट दे could do, that was to put him back in the sea. They thought that. But as for humanity, so they did not do so. Hannah agreed with it first. Sadao explained that it was difficult situation before them, that they could not do. If they shelters a white man in their house, they would be arrested. They thought that. They were in fear, frightened. If they left him over as a prisoner, he would certainly die. So they were in certainly in then dangerous situation. They could not think for a moment. Then they tried to find out his identity. They looked again that American, that is the soiled cap, or the that what we call lost cap, had faint lettering. It was written U.S. Navy over this. They concluded that he was a sailor from an American warship. That man was a prisoner of war, means the war was, world war was going on. He had escaped and was wounded in the back. Hannah asked Sadao that if they were able to put him back into the sea. Sadao hesitated. He could not do this. All Americans were his enemy. So, as for human, he thought. But as for, since he was wounded, that American white man was, US man was wounded, Sadao left the sentence unfinished. So, that Hannah observed that there was only one thing left to do, that they must carry him into their house. They thought that they must, only one thing left, only the solution was there. They must carry the wounded man into the house. Sadao was not sure about the reaction of the servants. Hannah suggested that they must tell them, the servants means that they intended to give him to the police. उन्होंने सजेस्ट किया, हाना ने, पत्नी ने उसकी ने, सदाव की ने, कि वो ये कह देंगे नौकर से कि उसको वापस पुलिस में सौंप देंगे. She said that they must do so. Otherwise, all of uh, the people, these the both Hana and Sadao would be in danger. So together they lifted the man. He was very light. They carried him to the steps and into the side door of the passage of the house, their house. They carried him to an empty bedroom. Since the man was quite dirty, that Sadao suggested that he had better बी वास्ट हैं, यानी इसको क्योंकि डर्टी था, वो पड़ा हुआ था वहाँ, इसलिए सदाव ने प्रस्तावित किया कि उसको साफ किया जाए. इफ हाना फेस्ड द वाटर ही वुड वॉश द मैन. यदि हाना पानी लेकर के आए तो उसको साफ किया जा सके. हाना कुड नॉट बियर हिम टू टच द मैन. शी ऑफर्ड टू टेल द मेड यूमी दैट शी कुड डू that one. So Yumi, that Sadao took the responsibility of informing others. सदाव ने जिम्मेवारी ली कि अन्य को इन्फॉर्म करे. The servants, to the servants, the pallor of the unconscious man's face, यानी unconscious man का जो पीलापन है चेहरे का, face moved him first to stoop, झुक कर को उसने देखा, and feel his pulse by taking. It was faint, but it was there. Faint थी, हल्की हो रही थी, pulsation, लेकिन थी. He put his hand against the man's cold breast or chest. The heart too was yet alive. अभी वो जिंदा था. So that one. Sadao observed that he would die unless operation. If he was not operated, he would die. So to be continued for the next.